Today we're covering the DEC, that's deck over equipment trailer. Deck over meaning the bed spans the full width of the trailer over the tires, giving you a 102-inch bed width versus the standard equipment trailer where the bed is between the tires and you only have 82 inches. The deck over is great for side loading palleted material or longer material. You don't have the fenders getting in the way, things like that. This one is configured in only a 20-foot length, which the DEC is available in 16 to 26-foot long beds. GVWR on this one is 14,900 pounds. Also, you have options up to 24,000 pounds on the DEC, which is a triple axle configuration. This DEC is pretty well in standard form except for just one or two little options, and we did this intentionally because this is actually one of Diamond C's personal trailers that we use around the plant to be able to run and pick up stuff from vendors or run material from one campus to the other. So we kept it pretty basic. It's great to pull behind a 3/4 ton pickup, a 1 ton pickup. You know, it can be managed by a middleweight truck and not have to have a big behemoth to pull it. This one will start at the front and work our way back. Some of the standard features, got the Demco Easy Latch coupler, big 12K drop leg jack. Got a chain tray here in the tongue to be able to store, chains, binders, straps, things for tying down cargo. Moving back, the only option that's really selected besides the spare on this one is the retractable deck step, which is pretty cool. It obviously is to be able to access the deck, but it folds up out of the way so that if you're in a low clearance situation, it doesn't get bent. We've all seen those trailers going down the road that have the deck step that is like aerodynamically swayed to the back because it got crushed by something. So we got rubber on stake pockets all the way down the side of this trailer for tie down. We've got chain spools between the stake pockets so that you never know which way you need to go. If you need to use straps or chains, you can secure your cargo either way. As I mentioned, this one is 14,900 GVWR. That means two 7K Lippert electric brake axles. They're super lube. Again, we can go with two 7s like this, two 8K axles, two 10K axles, three 7K axles, all kinds of configurations depending on the job or the weight of the cargo you need to haul. Moving to the back, you can see this one is a straight deck with slide-in ramps. It's got two 8-foot slide-in ramps that come in the back. Again, this one we built primarily to haul palleted goods, or even a short bundle of lumber or steel or what have you. Not really ever anticipating needing to load equipment, which most people are kind of the same when they do the straight deck. That's why they do it. But with the slide-in ramps, if we get in a pinch and we need to put a small tractor on it or side-by-side or something that needs to load, drive on, you can do that. The DEC is also available in a configuration with a 5-foot dove and the max ramp, which it shares with the FMAX series, SDX, and PX series trailers. And then you can get a 4-foot dove with knee ramps, the 24-inch wide super heavy duty knee ramp. There's about four different loading options on the DEC where you can really make it your own depending on what you intend to do with it. Jump on our website there. You can click on the DEC and see all the different options available to make one your own and that will serve the job you need to do. Make sure to follow us on all the major social channels and we'll see you on the road.